Hello you guys, it's me Shinto. Today we will be doing a slime pet peeve. So, the first clip will be the slime that is too sticky. So let's go on to the clip. The next clip for the pet peeve is the one who stretches it if it was like butter slime, but it's not butter slime. So let's get on to the next clip. The next clip for the pet peeve is the one that keeps their slime in their container. So let's get on to the next clip. So here's my slime. I'm not gonna be playing with it or anything. I'm just gonna keep it in the container for like 20 minutes or so. So yeah. I'm gonna poke it once. Yeah. Keeping it in the container. The next clip for the pet peeve is the one that pokes way too fast. So let's roll on to the next clip. The next clip for the pet peeve is the one that like pokes their slime but like waits for the thumbnail for 5 whole seconds. So yeah. Next pet peeve clip is going to be the one that breathes so loudly in the background. Next clip. Cringy. The last and final pet peeve is going to be, the one with the loud background. So let's get on to the last clip. I don't know where I'm doing this one. Last clip. Yeah, but like, oh my god, yeah. So yeah, and then like, shh, and then like, yeah. So then like, yeah, but then, oh, no, yeah. So yeah. So that was the end of the video. So please like and subscribe, and on post notifications. Follow me on Musically, Lover Bella 321, capital L, then Lover, capital B for Bella, and then 321. Friend me on Roblox, all lowercase, Spiffy Jersey. I'm the one that has the stylish animation. So, yeah. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications to see my videos. So, bye bye.